This is Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to be reviewing a new subscription box that I just recently came across, and it's from Allure. And they have the Allure Beauty Box. Allure is a fashion beauty magazine. I think they position themselves more to be a beauty magazine, to be the first word and last word on products and beauty advice in the beauty community and the beauty world. This box of theirs comes out once a month, I believe. It's a $15 subscription box. And this one is their hashtag, Allure Beauty Box. I'm curious because I've never bought this before, so I'm dying to see what's inside. So I'm taking off the lid. The first thing I see in here is the Allure. It looks like a little mini brochure. Exclusive promo codes and okay. So it gives you promo codes. It tells you the I guess the theme, if it has a theme, like most subscription boxes do. Spring vibes. And it gives you a welcome from the features director. Beautiful lady right there. I can't wait to see what's inside. Now, when you open the box, it has this nice, beautiful red paper. Nice little presentation, very pretty. And this lies on top of it like so. Beautiful smile. Okay. I think I'm going to try to go in order in what appears in the catalog, but let's just see. The first thing that I see in here, ooh, this is from Rodeo. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. Rodial. This is the Glamo Lash Mascara XXL. I'm sure it's in black. What other color would it be in? Extreme Black Lash. Okay. Let's see. The price for this is $28. You can buy this at the Rodeo, rodial.co.uk or /US. And they even give you a promo code if you want to get another one. And it's to receive 20% off your order. It looks full size. Let's see what the next thing is in here. Ooh, this is one of my faves. Mamonde. This is the Mamonde Rose Water Toner. This stuff is beautiful. It's gentle, and it's a toner as well as a cleanser. It does the job and has a wonderful rose fresh scent. If you're not into the scent of rose, this may not be for you. But for me, this is a lot gentler than Pixie. Pixie has that acid, and I had to switch back to it temporarily when I ran out of this. And right away I noticed the difference on the skin. The Pixie actually before felt very gentle to me. Now it actually feels a little rough. So when I went back to this, love this. And this is a cute little sample, can't wait. The price of the regular size one would be, read $16.10. You get it at Ulta. $16.10. I'm kind of surprised because normally I've seen the fuller size around $25, but I could be wrong. Ooh, what's this? The next thing I got in here is from Urban Decay. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. I don't know if this is a full size or not, but could be a sample, a luxury sample size. This runs around $22. That's the color right there. That's a lovely gray. Looks like a gray black, which is nice. It's it's like a light black or a dark gray, which I could definitely use. That would be different from the normal stark black. Make sure that cap is on. Interesting cap, I have to say. I'm loving that I got eyeliner and mascara because that generally will complete the look right there and make my eyes just pop. For the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0, it's nice and buttery as it glides on. The price for this full size is $22. You can check it out at the urbandecay.com website. Let's see, what else did I get? Ooh, it's like a powdery sensation thing. See that? This is Louis or Louis by Jean Seal. I have no idea what this is. Ooh. This is an erase cleansing, exfoliating, and brightening powder. Combine this loose powder exfoliator made with milk powder and oats with water. Apply, wait a minute, then massage it away. It unclogs pores and renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. And then it puts in parens, meaning very soft. So I took what was essentially what looks like baking powder or something and put it in a container. And they're charging how much for this? $15. And you can buy this at evalue.com. evalue, EVALUE.com. $15. I don't know if this is the full size, but if you're telling me that what you mixed was milk powder and oats, wow. Okay. Always looking for something for skincare, definitely, and the more natural, the better. Never heard of this brand. The next thing I received was this little baby, and this is called Ceramide, or Ceramide. This is the Lactose Ceramide Firming Mask. Interesting. So this is a sheet mask, and it's universal size, so it could fit on you. But if you have a smaller face, you may want to just tuck it under. I'm all about skin masks. This is great. This is firming, so la-dee-dee, very nice. I love the fact that I've already come across, several items regarding skincare, as well as 2 things pure makeup, which is fantastic. I love it. Now, how much are these? These are $3 each. Where we can get them at? You can get them at lapcousa.com. Okay, and the next thing that I received was the Floss, my new favorite gloss in Yule. Interesting. So this is a lip gloss. The price for this is $16, and you can buy it at flossitup.com. I'm trying to see where it talks more about it. What's interesting is in the description, it doesn't come out and say like what the brand is about. It actually gives you reviews or comments from people who are the senior writers, editorial staff, and the like. And if they don't get it from editorial staff, it's initials. So I don't know where these initials are coming from, DAKS, unless they're also from, the same people. They just used initials. But this is what the floss looks like. I believe I received something like this before, because this is unusual, the packaging. Okay. I'm just going to open it up here so you can see. It's not exactly, gloss is not exactly my favorite thing of all time to do. But, it's nice. I feel like it has a scent, but, if you're into scents, or I'm sorry, if you're not into scents, this may not be for you. This does have a scent, but I can't place it. They're saying here that you can use it, on your eyelids. That gets to add a little shine to your eyeshadow. So you can use it as a balm, a gloss. Eye makeup, I don't know. It's a little too sticky. But if you want versatility, maybe you could use this. Now, this is the one thing that isn't in the catalog. I think I got this as a nice introductory gift. And this is, of course, one of my favorite brands, Ofra, and this is their highlighter Everglow. Look at those colors in there. Gives me 3 colors, like a deep bronze, almost a deep copper. This is like a lovely gold, like gold shade, and this is like almost like a platinum. I'm gonna here so you can see that. Is that pretty? Definitely. sure. Oh, it feels just like butter when you touch it. I just love the feel of this. It's just so amazing. I don't know if you can see the shades, but the same shade as this, but oh. I think I dipped in twice, but you see the shade. Very pretty. Very, very nice. So what do I think about my initial Allure beauty box? I would say not bad. The selection was pretty good. It contained some products that I've never heard of, like this brand and this brand. Even though I have a feeling I've seen something like this before. Okay. But I was open to trying it. This is going to be interesting to try. The skin stuff, definitely. So I can't wait to try this stuff. And of course, having a simple eyeliner and a mascara, good to go, and a highlighter, all this needed was a blush. That's all I needed. And this would have been a complete look. For $15, I would say not bad. I would give this initial box, I'm gonna give it an A. I'm gonna say pretty good. I mean, it didn't have a cheek. It didn't have an eyeshadow, but I can easily rectify that by using this as, and just blending it into my eye, and then using this color maybe, you know, from the Ofra to blend into the lid, and it would have been fine. So I would say overall, for $15, not bad. I can't wait to see what the next box Allure sends my way. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you a subscriber to the Allure Beauty Box? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me and joining me on my latest makeup adventure and taking time out of your day to see this. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.